Okay, so today we're going to work on the second easiest square that you can do. So basically for this one we just knit one row and then purl another row, and we do it for 47 rows and we end up with this, which is quite nice. It is, as you can see, it's curly. It doesn't lie fully flat, so it's not great on the edges. It's better to be an internal square, but it looks really nice. Okay, let's get started. So once again, I'm using a size 4 bamboo needle, a short one, and I'm using DK wool. So let's get casting on here. So I'm going to cast on 41 stitches. Okay, this is the last few stitches here. Okay, so 41. And now we knit our first row. So we just knit. So in, around, through, and pop it off. In, around, through, and pop it off. In, around, through, and pop it off. Okay, so this is the last 2 stitches of our knit row. And don't worry if while you're doing your knitting it gets a bit twisted. You just go like that and fix it up, make it work. And now we're going to start our purl row. So the purl is the opposite of knitting. So instead of the needle going in that way, what we're going to do is we're going to put the needle in the back way. And then the yarn goes this way. And then we just pop it off. So in this way towards us, the yarn is towards us, through the little hole again and pops it off. So here we go again. We'll just move our stitches up there so that they're closer to the edge of the needle. And we just continue on like this. We purl the whole row and then we knit the next row, and we continue on for 47 rows, which we can count by counting these little things here. So I'll see you when I finish it all. Here we have our 47 rows. I'm just going to finish it off now. Last few stitches. And I'm going to start binding off now. So I'll just show this again just for this video. So basically we knit a stitch, knit a second stitch, and then we pop the first stitch over. Knit a stitch, pop over. Knit a stitch, pop over. Knit a stitch, pop over. Okay, so now I'm down to the last couple of stitches, so I'll just show you how to bind off again. So basically we're down to the last one. I don't have my scissors handy, so I'll just rip it like that. I make this loop nice and big, pop it through. I'm going to show you how to weave in the ends again in this one. I'm going to do it with the slightly shorter end though, just to show you. So basically you find a nice spot here, put the crochet needle through it, and then pull it through. Okay, so I'll probably do a few more, but I'll leave it for now. Yes, so this one is basically the one that I would use as my base for all my center bits. And then basically we'll just add a pattern in, we'll add another colour in, and we'll add some kind of a pattern in. So I'll show you a fair few of them that I do, so I'll show them in other videos. Okay, thanks for watching.